All right, folks, and we're back. Just got just had a phone call come through there, so gotta keep going. That's why this video is in two separate ones. Given that a person is unemployed, what's the probability they don't have an associate's degree or higher? So look in the unemployed one, 5511, and they have less than associates. That would be this plus this plus this. All right, there you go. Given that a person is unemployed, so 5511 is the denominator, what is the probability they have a high school diploma or less? That would be this one and this one added together. Divide. All right. What is the unemployment rate for individuals who have less than a high school diploma? Less than a high school diploma, that's that many of them. You take unemployed divided by that. Unemployment rate is a percentage. What is the unemployment rate for those who have a bachelor's degree or higher? So you take this number, unemployed for bachelor's or higher, and divide it by that. It's low. What percent of eligible workers, employed or unemployed, had a bachelor's degree or higher in 2004? So it's them divided by the total. All right, they wanted a percent. What percent of eligible workers had a high school diploma or less? So you would take this plus this and divide it by the total, as I've shown there. Okay, moving on, folks. Then any of these are fair game when you finally take it on Monday. What's the probability it's going to survive? 45% chance it's going to be in the east, and right, 85% chance it survives, plus 55% chance it's in the west, 70% chance it survives. That's the overall survival rate. What's the probability it is built in the west and survives? That's literally that right there. The voters in a large city, they're the demographic percentages. Those are the votes, 44% times 40%, and so on. Okay, 43.9% of the vote. So the percent chance that it is free and good from, that it succeeds and free from infection, that's a good event. So the probability something bad happens is the probability that you get an infection plus the probability that the repair fails minus the probability that both happen. So the probability of something bad happening, 0.115. Probability something good happens, 1 minus that, and that would be our answer. Remember, A union B is A plus B minus A intersection B. Which kind of word, you can use a Venn diagram for that if you wanted to, and that's what we're going to do here. 41.67% took both. To figure out who only took Calc 1, take that number and subtract it. Subtract 41.65. Let's figure out who just took physics. Take that number, subtract 41.65. All right. That looks good. Let's figure out who took neither. Add those three together. Subtract from 100, and you get 7.05%. All right, so the probability